So you want to learn about randomized block experiments? Well, you've come to the right place. Let me tell you all about it. So, the goal with any well-designed experiment is to reduce variability, which we can do by reducing extraneous factors. A method of doing so is that of blocking, a process in which experimental units are grouped using an extraneous factor as a block categorizer. Then, even further improvisation follows that with randomized block design, where the experimental units are grouped first and then randomly assigned treatment within each group, that variability is reduced within each block, and therefore, that variability is less than the variability between the blocks. So let's look at a breakdown of a randomized block design. We start with an overall sample population, upon which you want to test, say, criteria 1 and 2. The first step would be to, based on some extraneous factor unique to the event, break the population into groups, or blocks. Then, we apply random assignment, such as a coin toss, to each unit within each block test. Then, the results can be recorded. Now let's examine an example. Suppose you would like to test which major technological brand, Apple or Microsoft, is more efficient, where effectiveness is tested through 1, speed, and 2, accuracy. To test these in each brand, we are given a simple operational application to run. When we analyze the situation, we can identify a few extraneous factors, one of which, and what we will be using today, being the type of device. We come up with the block scheme, smartphone, tablet, and laptop, and therefore we now have our blocks. Say we are testing 20 devices in each device type. Proceeding with the test, we apply the randomizer. In this case, we can use a coin toss to see which test to run on each unit within each block. Heads for the speed test and tails for the accuracy test. Then we record the results and compile a solution. Thus concludes the randomized block experiment.